going on, y'all? You see the machine, you see the thumbnail. So you already know we doing sous vide turkey today, y'all. Turkey thigh. So we gonna hit it with some Old Bay, some salt, some onion powder, some basil, and of course, some fresh black pepper.
So yeah, y'all, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Let's get it. So of course, we're gonna start off with our turkey thigh. So you know we got a rain on. Got him with a little salt. Some onion powder. Some basil. And of course, black pepper. Fresh black pepper, that is. Then we're gonna give them a little flippy flip. And on the other side, we're gonna hit them with that Old Bay. And we're gonna go a little heavy on it, because this is a pretty thick piece of meat. And we want to taste that flavor all throughout that meat as we eating it, y'all. So after we get them seasoned up, let's get them in our sous vide bag. Now it's time to get them vacuumed on down, y'all. Time to get them into that water bath, y'all. Now our sous vide machine is set at 150 degrees for 24 hours, y'all. 24 hours. Now, hey, it's the next day, so let's get them on out that machine. And check it out. The first time I showed you exactly what I'm gonna do with that juice, we're gonna pour it right into our rice. Now that juice is gonna flavor that rice so good. So let's get our turkey on our cooling rack and our rack that we're gonna torch it on. And then we're gonna pat it dry. As we get them dry, time to put that torch on now. Go ahead and torch them up. Crisp up that skin. Oh yeah. Man, you know it's time to do that. And it's gonna be good. It's gonna be so good. So tasty. Oh my goodness, look at that skin just bubble, y'all. Oh yeah. And of course, we gotta torch both sides, y'all. It's smelling good in my kitchen right now, y'all. And guess what? It done made me hungry, and I'm ready to eat. Oh yeah, don't that turkey look good, y'all? I know that turkey look good. But anyway, let's go ahead and cut them up. How should I go about this? I know that bone there. You know what? Stop playing with this thing. Look at that turkey, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Don't that turkey look so juicy out? Y'all already know I ate good. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.